Pause. This is what most owners miss. They think they need a new marketing channel, more ads, better branding, fancier funnels, sometimes. But a lot of the time, the problem is simpler than that. You are pouring water into a bucket with a crack in the bottom. Pause. If you answer late, follow up late, or send quotes late, the market feels that delay. Your competitor does not need to be better than you, they just need to be faster. Pause. And this is why your first AI agent matters, not your 10th, not a giant system with 12 dashboards, your first one. Pause. Because if you can build one agent that catches the work you already earned, you create breathing room immediately. Pause. Here is the simplest way to build your first OpenClaw agent. Do not start in the software. Start on paper. Pause. Write down your day like a grocery list, answering missed calls, replying to web forms, sending estimates, booking jobs, asking for reviews, chasing unpaid invoices. Pause. Now look at that list and ask one question. Which task happens the same way almost every time? That is not a role. That is a workflow. And workflows are where OpenClaw shines. Pause. Let me give you a four-step build. Pause. Step 1. Pick the trigger. A trigger is just the event that wakes the agent up.